The world is changing, the economy is changing, there's so much unpredictability in business, and during this training, I'm gonna give you my 3 best finance tips to stay ahead of all of it and make sure you have the funding to navigate, well, the unexpected. During this training, I'm gonna teach you how to get the most amount of money for your business. We're gonna talk about how to get it at the best terms, and I'm gonna give you my best tips to stay ahead of changing economies, recessions, uncontrollable inflation, amongst many other things. So we got a lot to cover. Let's dive in. So my first tip to expect the unexpected and prepare accordingly is to make sure that you build your business credit. Look, it doesn't matter if you want a loan, a credit line, if you want to be able to get credit from suppliers, if you want to get credit cards, it all comes down to your business credit quality. Your business credit quality determines if you'll get approved or denied financing, how much you'll get, and the rates and terms you'll pay. So if you want to be able to get the most money at the best terms for your business, you have to be able to build your business credit. And one of the biggest mistakes that I see entrepreneurs make is wait until it's too late to build their business credit. They wait until they desperately need money to start a process that takes months, or if you're not working with professionals like Credit Suite, even years to be able to accomplish. So the time to start was yesterday. The next time to start is today. You got to start with building your business credit because this gives you a credit profile and a score and lets you get all kinds of usable credit for your business to actually fund itself. You don't need personal guarantees for a lot of this credit. There's no personal credit checks. You don't need collateral. You don't even need to verify cash flow. So business credit works if you can't get any other kind of financing. And again, it's the basis for you to be able to get approved for the most money at the best terms for any kind of financing you do get. So make sure you get started today in building your business credit. Check the link out in the description of this video for a guide that will map out the steps step by step so you can succeed. My second best tip is you've got to stock up on revolving credit. Look, the best thing that you need to navigate the unexpected times, record high inflation, recessions, changing economies, is large limit credit lines. And one of the best large limit credit lines I've seen is called Credit Line Hybrid. So with Credit Line Hybrid, you can get it as a startup. You can get it when you're high risk. You can get it when you can't get other kinds of financing. It's unsecured, so you don't need any kind of collateral to get approved. You don't even need to have any cash flow to get approved because it's no doc. There's no bank statements, tax returns, P&Ls, balance sheets. None of that is required. All you need is to have good personal credit or a guarantor that has good personal credit. And well, with that and that alone, there's a good chance you can get $50, $100, even $150,000 in funding. Plus, a lot of the credit lines come with 0% rates for up to 18 months, and you could take the cash out at 0%. So very powerful to take advantage of things like buying properties when home prices fall. So you've got to expect the unexpected. You've got to be prepared. The best way to prepare is having large limit credit lines to be able to navigate what may happen. And the best way to do this is by getting Credit Line Hybrid. You can get that by going to creditsuite.com/get funding or click the link in the description of this video. And my third best tip is to make sure you get your fundability in line. Look, your fundability is what lenders and credit issuers have perception-wise about your business. And as a matter of fact, this is why most credit and financing gets denied. That's right. It's not because of your credit score. It's not because of your time in business. It's not because of the revenue you have. Most financing gets denied because you don't meet basic fundability requirements that lenders and credit issuers have. Setting up your address, your phone number, your website, your email address, your bank account, your license the right way is essential to being able to set your business up to get the money you need when you need it. Again, this is a step you don't want to wait until you need money to do because sometimes it takes days, weeks, or even months to get done. So you got to get your business structured the right way now from what looks good from a lender's perspective. And when you do this, it makes it really easy to get access to credit cards, credit lines, and loans when you need them. Now, to make this easy for you to do, we created a mini course that breaks down the exact steps for you to improve your fundability, and all you have to do is click the link in the description of this video to access that free fundability course. And my fourth top finance tip, I know I promised you 3, but I have a tendency to underpromise and overdeliver, so my fourth is to build assets. Look, letting your customers pay you on terms gives you something called account receivables. And account receivables open up multiple different ways for you to get funding for your business. As a matter of fact, account receivables is the #1 asset that's used to qualify for SBA loans. But there's all kinds of other assets you could be accumulating right now that can help you get business funding. Stocks, bonds, 401ks, IRAs, commercial real estate, commercial vehicles, amongst many other different types of assets can be used to be able to get collateral-based funding with interest rates as low as 1 or 3%, where revenue and credit don't even matter. So right now, think about what you could be accumulating, whether it be equipment or inventory, asset-wise in your business. Those are going to go a long way to helping you get great financing at great terms. And don't forget to tap into the best tools and resources to help you succeed. Credit Suite can help you with all of these 4 tips by accessing the money you need when you need it, building your business credit, getting asset-based lending, revenue lending, credit-based financing, amongst many others. If you want to talk about the money you can get right now, then all you have to do is access the link in the description of this video or give us a call at 877-600-2487 for your free finance assessment. We'll get your business credit reports for free and review them with you, give you tips and tactics to build your business credit. We'll do a fundability assessment to help you fix fundability to make sure you're structured perfectly to get approved for credit financing. And we'll talk to you about all the funding you can qualify for right now. Happens 100% free on this free finance assessment. Did you get value from this training? If so, make sure you like and subscribe and keep your eye out for our next training where we talk about more cool ways to get the money you need to start and grow your business.